and seeing this face right here for the first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching me, and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. Now that Christmas is approaching, I decided to create this very sexy, bold, Christmassy look. You can totally wear this look for any party, event or occasion that you are celebrating. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. This super soft feathery top that I'm wearing is from H&M. It's so comfy and it looks so good, and it goes perfectly with the Christmas vibe. And anything off shoulder strappy, I love them. So let's start our makeup. Let me zoom you guys first. Perfect. Okay, so for moisturizer, I'm using this Dermafique Dry Skin Hydra Tonic Gel Creme. It's so lightweight and hydrating. Those celebrations are a lot different this year. I've dressed up so well. It changes my mood. It just makes me so happy, and it just makes me forget everything basically. For primer, I'm using this Color Perfect Match Primer. It's very hydrating, man. I'll just give my skin 20 seconds before I move to foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation today. Pump is so convenient, man. It's so convenient. I'm just dotting this foundation on my face. Just blending this foundation nicely. Alright, foundation is done. To conceal pigmented areas on my face, I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal. I love everything about this concealer except the applicator. It is irritating. You have to keep squeezing it. I'll be concealing these marks too. I'll set my face with loose powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me today. To fill my brows, I'm using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. Let's move to the eye makeup. Let me just make sure there are no creases on my eyes. For today's eye look, I'm gonna use Living My Best Life palette from Lottie London. This is beautiful palette, amazing colors and super pigment. I'm just gonna take this coppery shimmer shade. Can you see it? Yeah, it's beautiful. The name is Cocolina. It's very soft. With my fingers, I'm gonna apply this to my eyelid. I'm taking a flat shader brush and spraying some makeup fixer on it. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush. Taking this brown color right here. The name is Chicotarian. Yeah, just taking it, tapping off the excess, and I'll be blending this shimmer shade. Starting from the corners, I'm moving like this, just softening everything. Taking this color to my lower lash line as well. Just taking a clean blending brush and softening the edges. Next time I'm taking a black kajal and putting it in my lower waterline. I'm also tightlining my upper waterline. I'm just going to draw my wing using Chambord eyeliner in the shade black. Let me just quickly curl my lashes and put mascara, and then we can move to the rest of the face. I'll apply falsies later. I'm going to bronze up my face using my Rimmel bronzer, taking it on my blush brush. I'll be contouring my nose slightly. I'm using Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So I'll go lightly, like I'll try to go lightly with blush. It's too difficult for me to go lightly with blush and highlighter. I just want to clean my bronzer a little bit. I'm taking my contour brush from Lakara and dipping it in my loose powder. Time to do our red lips, and to line my lips I'm going to use this lip liner from, it just says lip liner pencil shade Red Brick. I don't know, is it from Maybelline? I literally cannot see name of the brand on this pencil. I'll just try to find the name of this pencil and mention in the description box, else you can just use any red lip liner. Applying lip liner on the lips, just make sure that your lipstick stays for long. Can you guess what red lipstick we are going to use today? Just a hint, it is super famous classic red shade. It is like universally loved shade. Alright, so it's MAC Ruby Woo. Yay, we are using this. This is beauty, man. Wow. Alright, time for some highlighter, and I'm using my Master Chrome from Maybelline highlighter. I'm also using my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop to get that extra Christmassy glam. I'm just going to spray this makeup fixer from L'Oreal on my face. I just forgot to highlight my inner corners. I'm taking my Master Chrome highlighter on a pencil brush and highlighting my inner corners. I'm going to apply my usual Pac Mint lashes in the number N72. This is the final look, guys. This is literally giving me Christmassy vibes. I'm totally in love with this look. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel. You can also click the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. And with that, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Merry Christmas.